wrestling with. I mean, what exactly happened back in 2012? That's what they're tasked with trying to find out. Now, Holly, if we take a step back, let's just talk about what's happening here. So the jury has continued their deliberations into day 3. They were initially told that this case would be wrapped up by Thanksgiving. If they don't come to a verdict today, the judge has indicated that the court's going to have to figure out what to do. They're going to have to reevaluate when these jurors come back to deliberate, because by all accounts, they didn't prepare to do this after Thanksgiving. This is a complication. I mean, it's complicated enough. We're dealing with a trial in the middle of a pandemic, but to have that complication on top of it, what is the court to do?
I think this puts a good, healthy amount of pressure on the jury. If the jury needs more information, if the jury needs a transcript from the actual proceeding to help refresh their memory of what occurred on these recordings, in addition to the audio recording, we all know that tomorrow's Thanksgiving. And so I think the jury has a healthy dose of this pressure. I would be surprised if they don't render a verdict today or before Thanksgiving, because they're under the pressure. They've had all the time in the world. They've been deliberating for 9 hours now, plus plus. And so I think that this is actually I would be very, very surprised if this goes into the Thanksgiving break. And so I think that this is where the jury needs to start communicating to the judge. What is it that you need? What questions do you have to ask of the attorneys that need to be answered? Because everybody has somewhere to be, admittedly not, anywhere but with their immediate family members, right? Because we're not doing these large gatherings this year. But everyone's going to have that pressure. And I actually think that's a good thing,
Right.
because things like the weekend, things like Friday at 5, there's a reason why juries close and the close of evidence is toward the end of the week,
Yeah.
because it really puts the pressure on the jurors to do the right thing and to get it done, to do their job.
And that's maybe what will happen today. By all accounts, we've seen that happen before. But Tiffany, one thing that Holly said that kind of caught my ear is the transcript. If we talk about the transcript from the audio recording, which we've mentioned before,